Konichiwa Minasan. When it finally started to snow last year, it kept on going and didn't seem to stop. This was wonderful. Waking up in the morning to a layer of powder goodness blanketing the area, it was time to check how the snow preparations were holding up. I had covered our trees with wooden teepees, taped bubble wrap on the inside of the windows, and of course added more insulation throughout the house. One thing I did not plan for was the sheer amount of snow. Coming from Canada, I am relatively used to snow, but definitely not used to snow country, where we could easily be surprised by over a meter of fresh snow dumping on us in the night. Although I had been warned about it, I think the time has finally come for me to buy a snowplow. The great news was that fresh snow also meant that it was time to play.
Show me a good plow. Mr. Plow.
Mr. Plow.
That's the name.
There you go.
Okay, give it a go, John. It's hard to believe that that's just 12 hours of snow.
Ready?
Go for it.
Let's go! Woo!
Go for it.
With the excess of snow, we made ramps for sliding, and then we hit the hills. One nice thing about our local hill is that it operates a free snowmobile shuttle between the two gondola stations. This is really a lot of fun for children and adults alike.
Three, two, one.
Let's go!
A few weeks later, we were able to take another break from shoveling and have some fun. One of our good friends offered to babysit the kids for the morning, giving us the chance to go skiing. After tightening up our bindings, we were off and flying down the hill. The off-piste slopes at Nozawa are unbelievable, but can be slightly treacherous for an aspiring amateur like me. Luckily, there is often a pillow of powder there to break my fall. Here's hoping for a wonderful snow season ahead. I'm sure we will be out shoveling snow again in no time.
That is absolutely spectacular.